Hi guys and welcome. In this video I want to share with you one cool and fantastic tool. It is physically a digital marketplace for the graphics, plugins and templates where you can find everything that you need to build everything that you want online. It's called Template Monsters. Of course, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. So I want to share with you this incredible tool that will let you to build a website really fast using one of ready-to-go templates that you can find on this marketplace and this website. What do we have here? Actually, let's take a look to the official website. We have website templates, and look at that. HTML templates, website builders, CMS templates, kits, WordPress store, and you can sort by categories already. Presentations, if you need some presentations. Also, you have PowerPoint templates, Google Slide, and so on. Graphics, illustrations, fonts and icon fonts, logo templates, magazine templates, like a lot of, just not a lot of, it's a huge amount of ready to go templates for everything that you need. And today in this video I want to share with you how to use the WordPress templates, WordPress themes that are ready to go. You just need to grab them, download them and upload them to WordPress and to change everything that you want. Let's press here, WordPress themes, 3,420 WordPress themes ready to go. You just need to grab them, customize a little bit for your own needs. You can sort them by categories if you have some specific category, or you can use the search bar right here. Let's take a look on them. $38, 127. It's absolutely affordable prices. Award-winning WordPress themes, themes made in Ukraine, and a lot of fastest WordPress themes, and so on. Like it's a huge amount of ready-to-go templates, and you just need to grab one that you like, that you need for your own purposes, and just download it, and that's it. I've already downloaded one, and I want to show you how to use it inside of WordPress. This is a WordPress. You need to choose the file on the computer and press install. And here you go. Unpacking the package, installing the theme, activate. And here's the theme. And we can customize everything. Now you can choose what to change, any elements, any type of color scheme. You can select other colors, and all the things that you need can be changed here just easily and really fast. So that's the beauty of ready to go template, ready to go theme that you can just upload and change everything that you need to change. This is really quick and absolutely easy. So the Template Monster website, Template Monster marketplace, gives you ability to find and use themes and pre-made stuff for any type of your online activity, with a WordPress, with presentations and so on. This is really huge. This is really big. And if you working online, if you need to build a website really fast, Template Monster is one of the best places in the world where you can make that happen really fast and easy. So guys, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Make sure to check it out to make your website really unique and to build it really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. Thanks y'all. I hope you enjoyed. Hope this was useful. So see you in the next video. Bye.